Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be preparing some curry chicken, my style or the Jamaican style. Everybody does their curry different, but today I'll be doing some curry chicken. Now I'm going to be preparing the onion, the garlic, the pepper and the sweet pepper for my chicken. Here I have my curry. I'm using Better Pack curry, which is the best curry. I have some all-purpose, some meat seasoning and some ground pimento. That I'll be adding to the chicken. Alright, so I've already washed and cut my chicken, washed with vinegar, cut, and it's ready for the seasoning now. So now I'll be preparing the onion and the garlic and the sweet pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Is really hot, so I'm using a small amount of this pepper. It's really hot. Also adding some Irish to my curry chicken because I love Irish in my chicken, so I've already washed and peeled my Irish, so now I'm dicing them. So now it's time to add the dry seasoning. So now I'm adding some ground pimento, my chicken, some all-purpose, easy spice. So we won't be adding any salt because these are already salty, so we don't want any added sodium. And then it's meat seasoning. Your curry, but I like to add my curry and my chicken. That is why it's called my style of cooking curry chicken. I like to add my curry to my chicken, but for your likings you can burn your curry to make a difference. Add 3 cups of Better Pack curry, and I'll be adding just a little bit of turmeric curry. I'm now also going to add the seasoning that I've cut, which is the Irish, the garlic, the sweet pepper and the onion, to my chicken, and then I'll be mixing. To get all the seasoning together. If you mix the chicken together and you see that it needs some more curry, you can just add the curry to your liking. this marinate for about 15 minutes. And then I'll begin to cook. So now I'm ready to cook my curry chicken after marinating it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to add some oil. I'm also adding another few pegs of garlic in the oil. So I'll be adding my chicken now. I'm not adding in the Irish and the sweet pepper and all of those stuff. I'm using those for the last minute. So I'm just adding in the chicken. Guys, if you could smell the garlic in the oil. You could smell the garlic in the oil. So all the Irish and the sweet pepper and all of those seasonings are left, so I'll be adding them at a later date because I don't want them to be overcooked. Store the chicken and then cover and leave to simmer. So the chicken will make its own water, will spring its own water, and I'll add water as needed, just a little. So guys, as you can see, it is simmering. I'll be adding a little water when it's necessary, but for now, it's okay. Just showing you how it's looking now. Guys, it's now time for me to add the remainder of my seasoning to my chicken. So, after adding my remainder I'm going to store and let's simmer again until these get tender. I'm just gonna add a little water. I'm just going to be adding a little water. Finish for about 3 minutes or so, or until the Irish potatoes are tender. Okay guys, this is the finished product of my curry chicken, my style. Now I'll be dishing it up. I'll be serving it with some dumpling and some yam. Stay tuned for that. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So as I've already said, it's avocado season, pear season, so I'm serving it with a peg of pear. So this is my finished curry chicken, my style. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.